Welcome to our thorough comparison review of two prominent TP-Link Wi-Fi routers, the Archer A6 III and Archer 7v5. In this video, we'll delve into their wireless capabilities, security provisions, hardware specifications, and software features to aid you in making an informed decision for your home network setup. 1. Wireless. Both routers adhere to Wi-Fi standards, but there are notable differences in their speed and range offerings. The Archer 7v5 boasts X1750 speeds with 1300 Mbps on the 5 GHz band and 400 Mbps on the 5 band on the 2.4 GHz band, outperforming the Archer A6 v3's X1200 speeds. Despite this, both routers offer a similar medium Wi-Fi range suitable for 3-bedroom houses and utilize multiple antennas for signal boosting. However, the Archer A6 v3 incorporates beamforming technology to concentrate signal strength towards clients, potentially expanding Wi-Fi coverage. 2. Security. When it comes to security, both routers provide robust defenses against network threats with SPI firewall, access control, IP-tagging, and application layer gateway. Additionally, they support guest networks and VPN server functionalities for secure remote access. Both routers offer WPA PAT2 and WPA2 PAT2 Enterprise 802. Onyx encryption standards to safeguard data integrity and confidentiality. 3. Hardware. In terms of hardware, the Archer A6 III features a dual-core CPU, while the Archer 7v5 opts for a Qualcomm CPU. Both routers provide 1 GB WAN port and 4 GB LAN port and 4 GB LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. Notably, the Archer 7v5 includes USB support with a USB 2.0 port for additional functionality such as file sharing and media streaming, enhancing its versatility for home users. 4. Software. Both routers support IPv4 and IPv6 protocols and offer essential software functionalities like parental controls, WAN types, quality of service settings, and NAT forwarding options. They both support management through the Tether app and web interface, along with on-mesh support for creating a flexible network ecosystem. Additionally, the Archer 7v5 provides OTA firmware upgrade support for seamless updates. In conclusion, both the TP-Link Archer A6 III and Archer 7v5 routers offer reliable performance and essential features for home networking needs. Your choice between them should be based on factors such as speed requirements, coverage area, and the need for USUB support. We hope this comparison has assisted you in making the right decision. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.